Firenze Red Range Rover Sport is not a colour we see very often, but when we do see them, people absolutely love them. I personally love it as well. In a car which has a lot of whites, blacks and greys, Firenze Red with the black pack like this one's got and the black contrasting roof plus the 23s which you'll be able to see on the side right now, that is one hell of a good looking car. D300 Dynamic SE, but it's got some fantastic options. Heads up display, electric tow bar, 23s I've already mentioned, sliding roof as well. And we're going to touch on them further on. It's a 23 plate, it's only done 19,000 miles. But the colour combo for me just works fantastic. So Firenze Red we've mentioned, black pack giving it the badges, contrasting grille. But you've also got black contrasting roof. Obviously they come with a fixed roof on a Dynamic SE, but this one has a sliding roof. Have a look at the 23s. It's a question we often get asked and we ask when we're buying a car. Does the Sport have 23s on? This one does in gloss black. Again, just works lovely with that full colour combo. Mirrors, full roof. A lot of them come with the contrasting pillars, but that has the full roof as well. Have a look at the interior. So again, full ebony leather. So matching that exterior, you've got red and black, and the black continues on the interior as well. Reclining seats on the outer edge. You've then got two heated seats on the outer edge as well, so if you're in the front or if you're in the back, I know I argue or have arguments when you're carrying passengers because they want to be in the front with the heated seats. Don't need to worry about that on a Range Rover. You've got it in the back. Huge boot space, great style, and now these have come into the price category where, certainly not going to say they're cheap because they're not, but they're good value, considerably less than what they were prior, but you get a great car. 3 litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower, and then on this one you have electric deployable tow bar. Now several reasons why that is a benefit. One, if you need one for a tow bar, sorry, for a caravan horsebox trailer, but it's the cost. It's about £3,500 from a Land Rover dealer to get that fitted. So if you want one, that's the best of the best. It's come from the factory. It's not a detachable where you have to get on your hands and knees and get it out. You literally press that button and it's done. The D300 will tow pretty much whatever you want within reason. So again, to reiterate, caravan horsebox trailer, but what a car to have sat in front of that if you are pulling up in a field with your horsebox on the back and you think of a better looking car to be sat in front. Steering wheel, cross beam, again, is all in dark, so the interior is a very dark interior, which I like, especially for maintaining. If you've got kids, you'll understand what I mean. So black leather on the wheel, which again, beautiful place to sit, but have a look at the heads up display. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Quite a rare sight on a Dynamic SE. Whoever spec'd it from the factory has made a good choice. So heads up display, traffic sign recognition, your digital displays all showing very similar stuff, speed or fuel range, stuff like that. Your steering wheel is heated, but then you've got adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, speed limiter. So all the tech you would want in a nice car. The roof, I'll pop the visor back. While that's going back, you will notice you've got that huge screen. The screen has got navigation, media, telephone, but pop it in reverse. Rear view, aerial view, towing mode to help you out with anything like that. Heated seats, all controlled from the buttons down here. Not only is it a glass roof, but it's also a sliding roof. So a lot of the Dynamic SEs come with a fixed roof, standard, which is nice. But obviously if you're gonna go one better, you want one that opens. This has that. So lots of options over and above. Heads up display, sliding roof, tow bar. You obviously have things like air suspension or access height, which you can change, so you can set them a little bit lower. These are a sporty car, or the sportiest Range Rover that they do, but if you do need to have that little bit of clearance, you're going off road, you're going to a field, you're going to a caravan, whatever it is, then you've got all that as well. You control your cabin lighting. Everything is all done from the Apple CarPlay, which is a big one, even though it's got a great sat-nav system. Some people like to use their phone. Meridian sound, so if you're into music, great sound system. But on top of the way it looks, which for me will be the thing that sells this car, because the colour is rare, the colour combination works and it works very well, but you've got 19,000 miles on a 23 plate, so you've still got manufacturer's warranty until 2026. Great price. It's actually a car we sold once before and we definitely won't struggle to sell it again. So if you're interested and looking for a Range Rover Sport with the tow bar, with the spec we've mentioned, this is available for sale today. So if you want to give me a ring, my name's Paddy. You'll find my number in the description. Feel free to give me a call. I'll answer any questions that you've got.